Picture this for a second. You pull up to a traffic light, glance over, and sitting beside you isn't a supercar, it's an RC car. You smirk, the light turns green, and before your foot even reaches the accelerator, that tiny machine disappears into the distance. Sounds impossible. Trust me, it's not. The world of RC cars has evolved far beyond plastic toys. Today, we're talking about miniature machines powered by real gasoline engines, screaming V8s, radial aircraft engines, jet turbines, and custom-built power plants that cost thousands of dollars and can hit speeds most full-size cars only dream about. Some are handcrafted from the ground up, others are engineering masterpieces with working gearboxes, cooling systems, and even smoke pouring from the exhaust. In this video, I picked 15 of the most insane RC cars ever built. We'll look at what makes each one special, the engines hiding under their tiny hoods, how fast they really are, what they cost to build, and why these aren't toys anymore. They're rolling works of mechanical art. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you might start questioning whether your own car is actually the faster one. Supra 1-8 scale RC. We're starting this list with a build that proves creativity can be just as impressive as raw speed. Scale Addiction's 1-8 scale Toyota Supra is almost entirely 3D printed, from the body and chassis to its incredibly detailed engine bay. It features a 371mm wheelbase, fully adjustable suspension, working steering, functional lighting, and even supports a realistic 2JZ engine model with a manual transmission option. The digital files are available for around $39, while a complete build can cost several $100s depending on the electronics you install. It's the kind of RC project that makes every drive feel personal. RC Ford Mustang GT. After seeing a fully 3D printed Supra, I didn't think the next build could sound any more realistic, until this RC Ford Mustang GT fired up. Instead of an electric motor, it uses a Toyota V8 4-stroke engine with 28 cubic centimeters displacement, water cooling, and up to 4.35 horsepower, producing the unmistakable rumble of a real muscle car. The attention to detail is incredible, from the handcrafted body to the miniature engine bay. The Toyota V8 engine kit starts at around $269, while complete custom Mustang builds can easily climb well beyond $1,000. It's a tiny car with a full-size attitude. RC minicooper. If you thought the Mustang delivered old-school muscle, this next build brings a completely different kind of charm. This RC minicooper may look small and friendly, but underneath, it's a serious custom machine. Many builders pair these classic bodies with Toyota 4-stroke gasoline or nitro engines, giving the little mini an authentic exhaust note, smooth throttle response, and realistic driving feel. Depending on the engine and chassis, these builds feature rear-wheel drive, independent suspension, and manual transmission setups. A custom Toyota-powered Mini Cooper typically costs between $1,000 and $2,500, making it a miniature classic that's every bit as entertaining as the real thing. RC Quad Motor Toy Car. Just when I thought I'd seen every kind of RC setup imaginable, this quad motor monster completely caught me off guard. Instead of relying on a single power plant, it drives all four wheels with individual high-performance motors, delivering explosive acceleration and incredible traction. The custom-built machine was engineered for extreme speed, with its creator claiming runs of around 350 kilometers per hour during high-speed testing. While it's a one-off project and isn't sold commercially, similar custom quad motor builds can easily cost $3,000 to over $10,000. It's less like an RC car and more like a rolling engineering experiment pushed to the absolute limit. RC Audi 100. The deeper I went into this hobby, the more I realized some builders aren't just making RC cars, they're recreating real automobiles from the ground up. This RC Audi 100 Coupe S is the perfect example. Built almost entirely from scratch, it features a handcrafted 3-cylinder radial gasoline engine, a working clutch, transmission, differential, and disc brakes, making it behave like a real car in miniature. The project reportedly cost around $7,000 to complete, and once you hear that tiny engine come to life, it's easy to understand why. This isn't just an RC car, it's mechanical art on 4 wheels. RC Auto Union Type C. Just when I thought these RC builds couldn't get any crazier, I came across a machine that sounds like it escaped from a 1930s Grand Prix. The V12 factory Auto Union Type C is a stunning miniature powered by a methanol-fueled 16-cylinder engine with water cooling, electric start, and a single-speed drivetrain, faithfully recreating the legendary race car. The craftsmanship is simply breathtaking, right down to its authentic mechanical soundtrack. Built as a custom masterpiece, rather than a mass-produced model, projects like this can cost well over $10,000 to complete. It's not just an RC car, it's a rolling tribute to motorsport history. RC Silverado 4x4. After all the high-end classics, I wanted something built for pure punishment, and this one to 4 scale, RC Silverado 4x4 delivers exactly that. Powered by a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine, it rides on fully independent suspension and a reinforced custom chassis designed to handle brutal off-road terrain. The builder even added a lightweight aluminum flywheel, a fuel recycling system, and a $300 linear steering actuator to improve control over rough jumps. It's a one-of-a-kind custom project that would cost well over $5,000 to recreate today. This isn't just a truck. It feels like a miniature rock crawler with full-size attitude. 1 to 5 scale hot rod RC. Not every custom RC build is chasing top speed. Some are built to make people stop and stare. This 1 to 5 scale hot rod RC does exactly that. Sitting up front is a Toyota FS- L 414 cubic centimeter inline 4-cylinder, 4-stroke, water-cooled engine, complete with 4 carburetors and exposed exhaust headers that deliver an authentic vintage hot rod soundtrack. Every rev feels alive, making it as entertaining to watch as it is to drive. The engine alone sells for around $1,900, while a fully finished custom build can easily exceed $5,000. It's a rolling tribute to classic hot rod culture in miniature form. Miniature Corvette Stingray. You'd think a miniature Corvette would be all about looks, but this one has a lot more going on beneath the bodywork. Nicknamed Lil Red, this 1 to 4 scale 1963. Corvette Stingray was built completely from scratch with incredible attention to detail. It features a nitro-powered V8 engine, working headlights, taillights, dashboard gauges, key ignition, motorized headlight doors, and even a Bluetooth sound system. The project reportedly cost around $30,000 to complete, making it one of the most expensive RC cars ever built. It's proof that passion sometimes costs as much as a real classic car. V22 Osprey. Just when the focus shifted from the ground to the sky, this RC V22 Osprey completely stole the show. Inspired by the famous tiltrotor aircraft, this custom build uses a servo-driven motor tilt system, a lightweight PLA 3D printed fuselage, reinforced internal ribs, and a flight controller that smoothly transitions from hover to forward flight. Getting that balance right wasn't easy, but the final result is incredibly realistic. Since it's a custom DIY project, the total build cost typically ranges between $800 and $2,000, depending on the electronics and components used. It proves that sometimes the most impressive engineering doesn't even need wheels. FC1RC. Then this beast rolled into view and completely changed the pace. The FC1RC jet isn't built to crawl around the runway, it's built to dominate the sky. Measuring about 2.7 meters long with a 1.66 meter wingspan, it's designed for JetCat-class turbine engines, producing blistering acceleration and incredible aerobatic performance. The oversized air intake isn't just for looks. It feeds serious thrust during high-speed passes. The airframe alone starts at around $4,000 to $5,000, while a fully equipped turbine-powered setup can easily exceed $10,000. Watching it roar overhead feels like witnessing a real fighter jet in miniature. Boeing 777 XRC. Just when you think RC aircraft can't get any bigger, this Boeing 777 XRC proves otherwise. Built as one of the world's largest remote-controlled airliners, it features an enormous-scale fuselage, realistic retractable landing gear, functional control surfaces, and twin turbine engines that give it the presence of the real aircraft. Every takeoff and landing demands incredible precision because of its sheer size. Although it's a one-off custom build, projects of this scale are estimated to cost between $30,000 and $50,000. Watching it glide through the sky feels like standing beside a real airport runway. Niels Herbrich's RC Jet. I saved one of the fastest RC machines for near the end because nothing really prepares you for this. Niels Herbrich's RC Speeder Inferno is powered by a Behotech 180 kerosene turbine, weighs just 7.5 kilograms, and has officially reached an astonishing 749 kilometers per hour, 465 miles per hour, earning a Guinness World Record. Blink, and it's already gone. Piloting something this fast takes incredible skill, making every pass feel like a real fighter jet screaming overhead. A custom turbine setup like this can easily cost over $15,000, and every dollar is dedicated to one thing: unmatched speed.